Hi, it's Neil. Welcome to my my new house, and today I am going to show you guys this really cool new light set. It is by Head and Shine, I guess. Hedge and Shine. So you can sing it to music, but it is a LED light strip, but it's different from all the others. So I'll show you what I'm talking about here. So let's open it up here, and I'll show you. There's the LED controller, which everything looks pretty much the same as what normal ones do here. But I'll show you what it does here. So this one here, it's got the little controller dealie, the RC controller. It has, excuse me, the power adapter. So I will open this up here. It comes with a remote here as well. So let's get all these things. It comes with 3 reels, but I'm just going to show you guys with 1 reel how it works. So let me plug this into my, I just have a portable power thing here. Got my AC going on it. Plug this in. Plug. This into one of them here. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what this does. So can you see? Let's see if I aim it this way here. So now if I turn it on, I'm going to aim it to that. So see, so there's some regular lights, but then watch if I do this, you can see, I don't know if you can see it here, what it's doing. It's like changing colors and moving along. You see, let me turn off my lights around here. There, so now there's less light, so you can kind of see it like moves, and so you can kind of see even in the wheel, it's rotating around, and it's moving. Each individual light has its own little thing, so I can make it so if I put it around my room, it's gonna go all the way. Boy, everything just fell. Let me tighten up my little thing here. Okay, so if I put it around my room, it'll like go in a circle around and around. And so right now I just have like, I don't know what color that is, maybe blue, but you can choose the different colors. Let's see. So there's red, green, blue, and that's where it rotates. So if I choose maybe red and then do the rotate button, then it'll rotate red. And then I could even do like jump. I don't know what jump does. Oh, this one here does one where it goes brighter and darker. This one here kind of jumps, so it's kind of moving through the different areas, and pretty cool. And you can speed it up and slow it down, and you can do all sorts of cool things with it. It's really hard to see, I'm sure, on the video here, but I wish I could do a better one, but once I get it up, I'll do another video of it up and around. So it's gonna be probably going around the top of my room. So they'll just be going around in circles and things like that. So they'll just be so cool. So I'll put it down here for right now and just turn it off. But I'll show you the remote here. So this is the remote with all the different options. I bet you when you're looking at the green, it's just gonna be see-through because they have a green screen behind me. But other than that, it's really cool. And there's the instructions here. I mean, it says, so one thing I couldn't figure out with this one here is it said something about it was Android compatible or iPhone compatible, but I don't even know where to get an app for it or anything like that. This one's just gonna be up in my bedroom, so I don't really need an app because it'll just be when I want it to turn on, and I actually have automated switches, so the switch for that outlet is already switched. But I'll be curious to see how that works. Yeah, what does it say? Yeah, it's all included in one package. Everything it needs. Let's see. Yeah, but pretty cool. I like it. It says supported platforms, Android/iOS. So I don't know why it says that, and I don't see any app for it. So that part's weird. But other than that, I mean, this thing's so cool. It's so awesome. I love it. I'm giving it a thumbs up. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description so you can get one. Totally get one. You're gonna fall for this thing and go, oh my gosh, it's great. And you can't chain them together, because of the power consumption of this type of thing. So usually you have one, and at the end of it you have another connected to another, but instead what this one gives you, because it has 3 reels, it has 3 separate connectors there. So what I'll probably do is go extend these, splice them to go longer, and then have one so it looks like it's going one to the next, to the next, to the next, but really it's just coming at it here for each one. So pretty cool. These are definitely indoor, not outdoor ones, because it doesn't have that plastic coating that some of those outdoor ones, those weatherproof ones have, which is fine. I'm using it indoors. This would be really sweet if you had like a disco or a stage or something like that you want to put them around the bottom of a stage or something like that. So I really can't think of any reason not to get this, because it is just super cool. The ends of these, it looks different because it's only got 3 wires, because they're individually addressable. It's like computerized. It knows, so it sends a signal to each light individually, versus those ones that have like those 5-wire things and stuff like that. So it's a totally different concept. That's why it's called RGBIC, for individually controlled. And so it's a totally different concept than regular LEDs, even though they are just LED. The little connections are just little LEDs, but as far as the the stuff, it's not. So just so you know, I don't know if you can really splice them together. It has little cut marks. I don't think that's really for splicing. I imagine it's just for cutting, because I don't know how it's going to know to control the next section. I don't know how they're programmed. Maybe I'll read in the instructions and there'll be a way to extend it to make it one big long string, but I'm not going to count on it. But I really like this. So these are really sweet. So it came with 3 of these reels. Where's my box? So it came with 3 reels here. So that's good that it comes with plenty of those. It comes with the remote, comes with the connectors. It comes with these little things here, I guess, so you can kind of screw it onto your molding or trim up at the top and kind of hold it onto the roof. It comes with the remote and the manual, which is very minimal, but I guess you can always look it up online and look at their stuff and see how to do it. I guess I'll look up and see how to use that app as well, see where that comes from, how to connect that. No clue. But I really like it. It's it's head and shine, I guess is it. And I didn't also try, but you can sync it to music, so like when you make noise and stuff, it'll have different colors shine and things like that. So it's cool. So I like it. So definitely thumbs up from me. I like it. I'm gonna put a link to it in the description. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.